What's up guys, I'm doing a Z906 audio test for you guys. I know I've already done one, but I've been having some questions from the other one asking me to do another one with what it's like around the house, how loud it is, if you can still feel the bass and everything. And really I've just set it up with full volume on everything, full volume on the bass, all the speakers, but obviously if you're in say like a living room or a hallway, you can position everything differently so it will sound louder as well, because you are not going to have all your speakers upstairs in your bedroom, I hope. But yeah, anyway, let's get straight to it. I've got Skrillex Bangarang featuring Cyber for you. Let's go. Yeah, it's really loud. Literally I've just gone downstairs and the whole house is vibrating. I'll just put this on here to show you how much it vibrates. Let me put it towards something so you can just see how much it's shaking. Yeah, just do that. So yeah, that's it guys. I know it's a bit of a small video, it's only about 2.5 minutes long, but I had to make it quick because it is quite early in the morning. It's 10:30 in the morning, I couldn't do a lot with it. But I did exactly what you guys wanted, did what it was like around the house. You can still hear it outside even though I have my window closed, so I probably should have had my window open. But I can assure you it's really loud with my window open. I just keep it closed because, you know, it's cold. So yeah, if you've got any other requests for videos and stuff, just, yeah. Another thing, I've got a video coming out for you guys on November the 2nd for my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. It's going to be something really special. I videoed it a day or two ago. Yeah, it's just, it took me a while to think of what to do for it, but at the end it was worth it. So just make sure you come back, check out my channel, subscribe, comment, and make sure you check out that new video, because I'm trying to get it to just show that I've dedicated to YouTube and whatever. So yeah, thanks guys, I'm off. Cheers and goodbye.